Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is a Dollar Tree haul. Okay, so the first thing, I actually showed these in my recent Dollar Tree video, which I'll link down below, but I had to pick up more of these houses. I love the quality of these. I have a video coming up in the next few days with some more of these houses, but I think these are great quality. I'm actually kind of stocking up on these. I'm pretty sure, almost positive, I will be doing a craft show come December, so I'm kind of picking up pieces as I go for craft shows, but I think these are great quality. I love that Dollar Tree is actually coming out with Farmhouse, so they have the white frame and then they also have that brown frame. The next item that I found were these wood panels. So it looks like this, but I think I'm gonna flip it over and use the inside because it has like a really cool like frame right here, and it's like a wood canvas. And these are, I'm not sure the size of these, but I'm assuming these are probably like a 5 or a 6 by 6, something like that. But I picked up 4 of these guys because I think these will be really great blanks to use your Cricut. I love using chalk couture, rub-on transfers. There's so many fun things that you could do with these. And I love finding inexpensive ways to make new decor for my tier trays or just around my home for signs. The next thing I picked up was a ton of fabric. So I'm gonna be doing a video soon with all of this. I am so excited because some of these items will actually be in that video as well, but they had that buffalo check and I picked up quite a few of those ones. And then I think they've had actually all this fabric before, but they have a ton of different fabric. This one is little blue trucks, which I thought that'd be super cute for spring. This is just like a bandana pattern. And then of course the farmhouse pattern. And like I said, this stuff is not new. They've had it for quite a while. And then that's what I picked up for that. Tons of fabric. This is like a farmhouse, has like a little blue line on there. And then I did pick this one up as well. This one has, I don't want to like open these yet, but I'll show you exactly what these look like in an upcoming video. But this one, it says like home, gather, love, and it has like a little watering can. And I think I've used this in a video last spring. Like I said, they're not new, but I have some really great ideas. The next thing is this welcome sign. This is really cute. They have a ton of galvanized items. They always do at my Dollar Tree, but if you want to use galvanized, you can just paint right over this. And I think that is what I'm going to do, is paint this. I also picked up coasters, or these are wood pallets, but I like to call them coasters. They just seem like they would be for coasters. Like, what else would you use these for? I'd use them for coasters. So I will be doing something with those super soon. A wreath form. It's funny because I feel like I used to have a ton of these and I don't have any. So I grabbed one of these. I grabbed this hello wood piece. I also grabbed this farmer's market wall sign, and I'm going to take it out of the package so you guys can see it a little bit better. I think this is so cute, and you can really just leave this as is, which I plan to, but I'm gonna do something with this. So super, I can't wait for that one. I was gonna say super excited. I know I say excited so many times, so I try not to say it, but it happens. But this was super cute. I also found rub-on transfers. These are nothing new either, although I've not seen a ton of these in my Dollar Tree lately. I'm really hoping that they come out with some new ones, but I picked these up. I've done a couple DIYs with these actually recently, but I love them. So I picked up the only 2 that they had in my store. And then I love these rub-on transfers as well. I used these a lot last year, and then I just grabbed 2 of those. But these are more like of a farmhouse, thankful, Thanksgiving. There's pumpkins on it, but it just reminds me of like more of the farm type thing there. The next thing I found, and I've seen people do like welcome signs with these, so I was pretty excited to find these because I have not seen any of the circular like signs, but these are adorable. I love the colors. I love the farmhouse. I did pick up 2 of these. I also found these house signs. I think these are so cute too. They had a brown one too, but I just grabbed white and a black. You guys, I don't think you understand how much I'm like dying over the farmhouse decor. I feel like last year I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stop buying Dollar Tree items. Like, they just take over my life. There's just so much, there's so many, like I just don't know what to do with all of this. And then they come out with exactly what I like, which is, it's kind of crazy. I also found these really cute signs too. These are in like the garden section. They're just starting to come out with new stuff in mine, but I think these are cute. I'm gonna redo these. They're really cute as is, but obviously like I didn't buy them to decorate with, but I found this one. This is a little galvanized planter with flowers, and then this watering can, and these come off. I'm actually gonna keep them on, I think, but I have really great ideas for this, but found those. And I also want to show you guys a couple items towards the end, what I found at Walmart too. Not a ton, but some really good finds. Found these little signs. So I already have bought these and I've crafted with them already. I picked up another pack, but I found more. So I found the Bless little pack, the one that says family. It's like the back of a truck. Okay, and then Barnes. These ones are my favorite find today, I think. This little pack was my favorite. I also grabbed some of this wired jute cord. I actually have never bought this before, so I'm pretty excited to try that out. I also found this little ceramic house. I picked up a couple of these. I'm already working on some of them already, so I can't wait to show you guys what I do with these, but they're really cute. You could use them as ornaments too, so if you can find them and you want to keep them for Christmas and someone buys a house, or you just want to make your own for when you bought your house, but really cute. Okay, and then the other thing I bought with these craft wood animal picks. These are little bunnies. These are adorable. So I found those as well. And then now for Walmart. So I found florals that were still 97 cents. This is a carnation pack. I don't know why I know that they're carnations, but I feel like I didn't know what they were. I picked up 3 of these. I think this is a really pretty color for springtime, so grabbed those. And then I also grabbed these. These are blossom picks. I actually did not know what these were, so I grabbed 3 of these, and like I said, these are 97 cents, and they're so pretty. So I thought these colors were gorgeous together. Super pretty. And then I also picked up some lavender. This is not like the lavender that they normally have at Walmart or like every single year. A lavender mix pick. Okay, so maybe they will still have them, but it's just mixed with some lavender and some greenery, but it's really pretty. I picked up actually 5 of these because they're not that big. As you can see that they're kind of smaller. They're not as full, which I guess for 97 cents, I was gonna say $1.97. I guess for 97 cents you probably get what you get, but I guess for $5 or just under $5, this is a pretty solid looking, pretty solid. Or if you're just looking to buy the larger picks, they do have them for like $3.50. So there is other options that you can pick up at Walmart. They also still have wood pieces that are $1. There's not too many of them, but these circles are still $1, and they're the little wood circles. So I grabbed 2 of these, and then I just grabbed this cow. This was $1.47, which I feel like it's kind of a lot. It's even like more than Dollar Tree. So hopefully Dollar Tree comes out with something like this. That'd be kind of cool, because they used to be like 98 cents. And I don't feel like this is really worth $1.47. It will be, because I'm going to do something with it and it's going to be cute. But I mean, $1.47 for this tiny little thing. And then I also found this sage color Waverly chalk paint. I picked up a huge one because I love this color, and I think I might paint like a larger piece of furniture with this. So I grabbed this one, and then I found Waverly chalk paint Snow White. So it says this, it's the Snow White color, and I'm actually pretty excited for this. So it's going to be a very, very white. Obviously probably more white than Waverly chalk paint in white. So I had to grab the Snow White just to check that out and see. And then I can't find it, but I also grabbed another Waverly chalk paint in the color Moss, because it is my favorite color to use when I do farmhouse DIYs and when I do spring. That's it. That's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys will be seeing these items in the next couple of DIY videos. I kind of have a box right here. I'm actually going to show you. I have this box right here. Yeah, Target. Full. I put it with I put all the new stuff I purchased in here, and then I have to use it. and then I can go buy more if I want. I did a huge decluttering and cleaning video on my channel a month or so ago, and I'm really trying to keep it clean. My craft room is pretty clean. I did bring in some thrifted stuff from my garage, so I have that stuff in a basket in a corner, so I will use it. But yeah, that's like how I'm going. So all this stuff is going to go inside this box when I'm done, and then I have to use all of it before I can go search for more stuff, and I gotta use it because spring is coming up and I cannot wait. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!